All right, so this house is a duplex. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's a little bit over 2,100 square feet. The bottom level is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and the top level is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath. You wanna go upstairs first or down? Let's go down. We're gonna have to figure this out because we have to convert it back to a normal house.
I wasn't expecting to be so dingy, were you?
No.
It feels like an office.
Like a medical office, like a medical building.
Yeah.
Here's my question. How do we turn this back into a house? We want to redo the kitchen, so this would probably be a living room.
So who's meeting us here? Izzy or Jeff?
Neither. I actually have a new guy meeting us today.
We're using someone new and we have this weird house?
Well, yeah, because I wanted to see what his pricing would be like. He's familiar with the coastal community. He was referred by a friend, so we're going to try him.
Oh, man.
Okay, so
this is even more dark and creepy.
So the entire downstairs is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen, living room.
Oh, man. Oh, it just keeps getting worse and worse.
So we're probably looking at like $8 grand for this bathroom.
Okay, I'm kind of having higher expectations for the upstairs.
Okay. Could we lose the staircase and add a staircase inside the house?
How do you even do that?
I have no idea. Uh-oh, this house is gonna be tricky.
Huh. Well, oh God, what the heck happened here? Oh no. At least it's a little more light and bright in here. Oh, it's the worst kitchen.
Oh my gosh, it's tiny.
You're telling me this house is $925,000 and this is the kitchen and this is the rest of the house?
This is bad. Like, even if we remodel this kitchen, it's tiny.
Well, we would have to open up that wall, and now you've lost this whole side of the kitchen. There's a lot of negatives.
I mean, we're looking at least $20,000 right here.
Okay, well, the positive is I do see some water from here. The upstairs is light and bright,
It's better than the downstairs.
but there's a lot of negatives. Bathroom number 1.
It's a decent sized bathroom. It's not terrible. I mean, a full gut in here, probably 10 grand.
Basic.
Basic. Yeah.
Bedroom number 1.
Hey, look, we got higher ceilings in here. That's good.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Bedroom number 2. Smells really funky in here. Ew.
Ooh, this is water.
Ew, it's all the way out here too.
Oh my gosh, the carpet is
Is it water or
soaked.
urine? Smells like urine.
I'm gonna have to burn, oh gosh, I'm gonna have to burn my shoes.
I can't burn mine, I like them. This room's a hot mess. And this bathroom's really funky. Do you notice how the sink's like in the bedroom?
This is the bathroom, is this the primary?
Yes. Terrible bathroom layout. All right, what's up here?
The loft.
This is definitely pointless space, you know? No, except for the deck. Oh, that's
You have
really
water
nice.
views.
This is the moneymaker.
I mean, I don't know if we could do it, but if there was a way to reinforce this deck and we could put furniture out here,
That'd be awesome.
focusing on this view, I think we'd sell this house for 1.5 all day long.
You can see the ocean
It's gorgeous, huh?
and the canal.
I think the house has a ton of potential.
For all the problems that this house has, I think the location is the only thing that really makes sense.
I mean, location is awesome, but what we really need is a bid because I have no idea how we're gonna turn it from a duplex into a single family residence.
So brand new, big project, trying someone brand new.
Yeah, it's a little bit scary, but he does have the knowledge.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi,
It's
Christina.
Christina.
Hi.
All right, so I was just telling Christina, you've been working with investors for 13 years?
Yes, sir.
All right, how many flips do you think you've done?
At least 400 flips.
Wow.
Okay, so that's why he's here. Okay,
A
so
lot of flips.
the goal here is to convert it back to a house so we can sell it for more money.
All right.
It'd be nice to try to figure out a way to put like a staircase inside the house.
Okay, I see.
Maybe.
And we'll be here. Just take a look around. Let us know if you have any questions.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
All right, thanks, man.
All right, complete remodel, high-end finishes. You're looking at around 190,000.
Okay, so just regular cosmetic rehab, 190. Once we open up walls, we're gonna find more things. It's gonna go up.
Right, totally.
All right, I'll let you know when we get the house.
All right.
Thanks for coming out.
Nice
Thank
meeting
you.
you.
Nice
Good job.
meeting you guys.
Good
Bye.
job finding those stairs.
Yeah, that's a good one. So he's at 190. Let's just be nice and call it 200.
Right.
This house is gonna take a long time. I mean, I'd really like to get it done in 6 months.
Yeah.
So if the seller's asking 925, we put 200 into it. That puts us at 1,125,000. We're gonna have 50,000 in selling costs, which means 1,175,000 is the break even, and the resale's 1.5. We gotta buy this house.
Yeah. So I think we offer full price.
All right, done. We put in a full price offer at $925,000, and the seller accepted. Now's the hard part. We have to figure out how to make it work as a single-family home. All right, well, you can see the stairs.
Wow. This looks huge.
Wow, this does look great, huh?
This is
The
awesome.
steps are in. You ready?
You're going up there? Oh, jeez.
Careful. We got a 50-foot drop on the left and no railing. Ocean. Right there.
There you go.
It worked. We got an ocean view there. Look at, we have a bay view right behind us.
Jeez, we're high. Oh
Yeah,
my
we are.
gosh.
We are way up here, huh?
We're the only one with the double roof. Definitely worth it. This is amazing.
Feels like you're on top of the world over here.
Not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. I'm gonna go back down.
Just be careful. Walk on the left side. Move very slow.
Fear fights, fear fights.
Do we have anything in the bid right now for exterior work?
Not at the moment, no.
What are we gonna do?
Well, we can do regular stucco. We can do a smooth stucco, which would be more expensive, but it's more modern. Or we can do siding for the entire house.
How much for smooth stucco?
40,000,
40,000.
How much for regular stucco?
35,
Still a lot.
How much for siding?
around 50 range.
Oh my gosh, I did not expect that. Paint it? I mean, well, at this point, whether it's 35 or 40, it makes no difference. It's so expensive, so.
We never get to do it. Let's do smooth.
Okay.
Smooth stucco?
$40,000. It better be the smoothest stucco we've ever seen, and I don't want to see any cracking.
All right, it's coming along.
Yeah, this bathroom is bigger than I thought.
Yeah, that looks really nice. I love that tile on the back wall.
A lot of movement. All right.
Bedroom, looks good.
You know, honestly, such a difference with all the new drywall. House looks brand new.
I love the flooring.
Is our primary feeling nice, bigger?
Looks great. Very nice. I like how we went with a theme here. And so we reverse the colors in each bathroom. We have the black kind of brick-ish pattern going on in the other one. I love the shower pan. I love the geometric tile. And I like how we did this play of like natural woods with blacks. I think the design is super cool.
Yeah, it's a cool house. People are gonna like it.
Looks really nice.
Lucky you're not here today. It is hot.
I'm busy running around today, but I definitely want to come by and see it in person soon.
You ready? Whoosh, there it is. There used to be a huge staircase right here where you couldn't even walk in this area.
Looks really good.
Okay, so I'm dying to see this place done. We've been working on this thing forever. So this is our little party area. You see that? Let me show you the bathroom now, because the bathroom actually came out real nice.
Very inviting.
Yeah, and it's a good sized bathroom for the downstairs too. It's not a small bathroom. Then right here was a closet, and now it looks great. So it feels like a house. We have a real staircase. The railings look good. Oh, the kitchen came out awesome.
I love the backsplash. It's a small kitchen, but I think it has like a huge design impact.
All right, so here's bathroom number one.
It's really good. It has a really cool modern element that we're carrying throughout the whole house. It's actually one of my favorite looks we've done in a while.
And then we have bedroom number one right here. And the primary came out great.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's a huge difference.
Huge difference. All right, and then this bathroom, which was definitely a project to tackle. Because you remember, like, this bathroom was like 2 separate bathrooms and we expanded it.
I love the floor tile. I think that's one of my favorite choices, and the way that it plays off the vanity in the shower looks perfect.
Yeah, it came out really nice. Let's go to the rooftop. Oh, look at this. This came out cool.
That's such a cute game room.
It made such a difference pushing out the wall because now we have an extra 2-3 feet.
Now it's totally usable space.
And here's that bathroom we added.
I love the design. That like decorative wall looks awesome.
And then the showpiece, the bifold doors. Now you walk right out into this patio. And look at the size of our patio.
That's incredible.
You can see ocean view right there.
Beach living at its finest.
This is the wildest thing, because this used to be the roof, like real roof before. Like these were shingles, it wasn't walkable. So what's cool up here is you have views this way. You can you see the harbor? See the water?
Oh, that's awesome.
And then from this way, we have ocean, Catalina Island, and ocean.
The ocean view is definitely the moneymaker. That's what beach living is all about. And we're going to be able to price this house where we are.
All right, well, speaking of price, what are we gonna list this thing for?
I have no idea.
So we paid $925 for the house. Originally, the remodel we thought was gonna be $200,000. We ended up spending $346,000.
Yikes.
Yikes is right. So after staging, commission, closing costs, all in, we have a break even of $1,321,000. And it's been a long time since we bought this house. So I don't know if you remember, we were hoping to sell this house for 1.2.
What?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
So we went over on the rehab budget, but we took advantage of the ocean views here. We have 2 rooftop decks. We didn't have that before. There's no inventory. The market's hot. I'm thinking we list at 1.9 million.
Honestly, I know the market's gone up. I know we did a ton of improvements on the house, and there probably is a chance we're going to get it.
That's gonna be our biggest flip yet.
Yep.
Yes, indeed. After going way over budget and taking a long time to finish, this house turned out fantastic. If we sell at our list price at 1.9 million, we stand to make a huge profit of $579,000.